How to use Shopify blogs for better SEO rankings. Follow these steps. 1. Create a blog post in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Blog Posts, and click Create Blog Post. Add a catchy title and engaging content. 2. Optimize for SEO, use relevant keywords in your title, headings, and content. Add a compelling meta title and description to improve search rankings. 3. Add internal links, link to your products, collections, and other blog posts to keep visitors engaged and improve site navigation. 4. Use high-quality content, write informative and engaging posts that provide value to your audience, such as guides, industry insights, or product highlights. 5. Promote your blog, share your posts on social media, email newsletters, and other platforms to drive traffic and improve visibility. And that's all for this video. Please also note that this is not an app commercial or paid promotion. If you have any copyright or other inquiries, please email tutorialorabis@gmail.com. Thank you.